Hi everybody and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to add custom Shopify announcement bar. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So this one is pretty simple. All you need to do is simply search an integration called announcement bar. So let me just search that in here. And once you do, make sure you search it in your app store. Dive right onto that. And you can see we have various options for announcement bars. So you can see announcement bars and various other stuff. So you can customize them accordingly. You can see the customization is font, color, background, and much more. So that's all you need. You can also customize it for your cell phone devices. I hope this is going to be helping you guys out. And if it does, consider subscribing to our channel. And yeah, and hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.